Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before you trade gold this week, you need to see this zone. Gold on the daily chart has been on a particular zone that might trigger the next big move. So you need to see this level. So let's dive straight to the chart. First of all, let's look at the trend of the gold USD on the weekly time frame. On my weekly time frame, we can clearly see that we have this series of higher low. This series of higher lows still telling us that we still expect strong bullish momentum still coming up for the gold USD. So long we have this strong bullish momentum being up on gold USD, so our job is to look for more of the buying opportunity on the gold USD. So we can't just buy from any level on the gold USD. So we have this particular support level, which is this support level, which is strong zone that might trigger the next big move to this next resistance level, and a break of this resistance might push price back to this resistance level. So the gold USD now is reacting to this particular support level. We can see we also have this support zone on the weekly. So long price is currently on this support zone and also reacting to this support level. You might see price pushing back to this next resistance level, because the current level on gold, you can only buy from this particular support level. So selling from this area is a risk. So don't sell gold from this particular weekly support level. If you are selling from this level, you are risking your hard-earned money. So it's advisable you buy from this particular support level from the lower time frame and from a key level on the lower time frame, which we are expecting price to react from now to push price back to this resistance level, which is what we are expecting now on the gold USD. So the gold USD currently now on the weekly chart, the anatomy of price of candle is already indicating the price reversal of trend. So we have a supply, we have a demand level at this area on the gold. This is the demand level on gold, which is the demand zone on gold for us to buy the gold to this next resistance level. So long price is currently reacting to this level. Our job now is to go to our lower time frame and look for strong key level where we can look for our buying opportunity from this gold to the next resistance level. So let's go to the daily time frame to look out for that zone that can trigger this next big move on the gold USD. But before I do that, if you are serious about your trading and you want to take your trading to the next level, you can book my one-on-one mentorship, the link in the description below, or you can get my video courses, the link also in the description below. So on the gold USD on my daily chart, we can clearly see that price is currently at this strong reversal level. You can see we have price on this strong reversal level. So long we have price on this level, this level is a demand level. It's a very strong demand level that will trigger strong bullish momentum for the gold USD to this next weekly level. And a break of this level might trigger more buy to this next level on the gold USD. So long price is currently on that buying zone, which is the demand zone. Your job, you have nothing to do than to look for your clear confirmation signal to buy from this demand zone on the gold USD. So let's look at the structure of the gold on my daily time frame. First, we have our first price on the daily time frame. We have this higher high, then we have a lower high, then a lower high. So long we have this series of lower on the major structure, this indicates price on the gold have a major structure for what? For downtrend. Then we also have this lower high here. We can clearly see that the price creates this lower low, which is price creates this lower low here, then price creates a higher low. Then we can see that price break above this level, this higher low level. For price to break above this lower high level, this is an indication for price reversal for gold to move to the top. Then after the break, we are expecting price to retest that particular level. Since after the break of this level, we expect price to retest these areas before we look out for possible buying opportunity for the gold to the next resistance level. And that is what the gold is about to do now from this particular strong support level. So long the price on that particular support level find it difficult to break, our job now is to wait for proper confirmation of price to give us signal, a good pricing setup from that particular support that can push price to this next resistance level, and a break of this resistance level may retest, then we can start looking for more buy of price to this next resistance level on the gold USD. You can also break down your analysis by going to the lower time frame, which is the 4-hour chart. You can also go to your 4-hour chart, then look out for possible buying opportunity on the 4-hour chart. From the 4-hour chart, now we can clearly see that we have a good structure for buying opportunity also on the gold on the 4-hour chart. Because price has closed above this our lower high level, then price is currently testing this support level. So this is an indication of price reversal to this next resistance level. This we expect after the break, we expect to retest, then we'll see further buy for gold to the top. So gold USD still remains strongly bullish for this week. So our job as a trader, we have to look out for more of the buying opportunity on the gold USD. Because if you are selling from this support level, you are just risking your hard-earned money. So look for more of the buying on the gold this week. If you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more trading tips and forex analysis. You can also watch my previous forex analysis at the top, where I break down the current move happening on Euro USD, Pounds USD now. See you in my next video.